Hello and welcome to eLearning Campus. Children, in previous class we have learned how to create a HTML page using style sheet, and we have learned internal and inline style sheet. If you remember, in previous class we have created this web page. Okay, this we have created. So if you want to learn how to create this web page, you can watch my previous video. I'll attach the link here at the top, and in the description box also I have attached all the playlist. Okay, so in today's class we'll start with the external style sheet. So for external style sheet, I have explained you in that main video that first we need to create one CSS file. Okay, so now we will create a new file. Let me make it bigger. So now first I am creating a CSS file with the name style story. Okay, dot CSS. Okay, here if I am using Visual Basic, in Visual Basic if you want to create any file you have to put the extension also. So now I am done. So I have created this style sheet here. Now first I will show you how we can link it. So to link that style sheet in our normal HTML page, I will show you how this page looks before styling it. Okay, so I am opening it in the live server. So this is my main page and I have used only HTML tag here. I have not styled it. Now here I will attach the style sheet over here. If you remember, in internal style sheet we were using style tag. Now we will use link tag in the header. How we will use this link tag here? In link, first rel, which file you want to add here, attach here. I want to use style sheet. Okay, I want to attach style sheet here, and the link of the style sheet is what is the name of our style sheet? Let's check it again. So our style sheet name is style underscore story. So style underscore story. Okay, so in this way we will attach our style sheet. I'll show you here. In other sheet also I have attached one style sheet. See, in the same manner. Okay, so link rel style sheet and hrel style.css. So this is how we can attach the style sheet in our HTML page. So now I have attached the style sheet. Now what we will do? Now we will start creating the style sheet. I am using this external style sheet. And here no need to use HTML tag, body tag, head tag. This is .css file. So in this CSS file, what I will do? First I will style the body tag. So I am writing simply body, curly bracket, and here I want to set margin. What margin I want to set? I want to make it 0 pixel, like this. Okay, now background color for entire page. For entire page I am using background color, let's say antique white. Okay, so here I am done with the body tag. Now I will start with the class. The CSS classes also I have explained in the previous video, the internal style sheet video. You can check in the HTML CSS playlist. Now I am creating one class header first, and inside the header first I will set the background color. This is our background color, and now I am choosing this salmon color. Then the text color we will change over here. So this text color I am choosing black. Then do the padding. So padding, let's say 10 pixel. Okay, it looks fine. Now font family. Font family means the font style. Okay, so here I am taking this font family. You can choose any font family here. It's totally up to you. Just for example, to show you, I am using this. Now font size. here font size I am using 30 point. Okay, because we want that header should look bigger than the normal text. Okay, now let me save this. I will show you our main page. Okay, so this is our sheet we have created, and we have already attached our style story. This .css. This we have already attached here. Now what we will do, let's check the page first. Because we have already styled that body tag. So we'll check first whether it has been attached properly or not. Now you can see this is previously when we have opened this, at that time it was completely white. Now it has changed its color. So that means our file, our sheet is properly attached here. Now let's continue with the style sheet. So style story. So we are done with the body and the header tag. So let me add few more classes here. I am using main text one class. Okay, so that I can style my main text also in our document. So simply I am choosing the background color. I am changing the background color this time. So in background color, let's say, okay, this one. And now in the main text, first padding, I am changing padding also, so that everything you can see properly on the screen. That's why I am changing all these things. So this style you can change whatever you want as per your requirement. You can change it. Now color, which color we can choose here? Okay, let me choose this one. Okay, so color we have choose. Now font size, so this should be smaller than the header. So I am changing the font size. Let me change the font family also. So you can change all these things as per your requirement whenever you want it. Yeah, font family. So we'll choose this simple one only. Okay, so here we are done with the main text. Now I am adding one more class here to highlight. If you want to highlight any special text over here, so that's why I am using this highlight. This is a class that I have created. Now I am changing background color. So this background color and the text color, and then font family. This font family I am choosing. After that I want to make a border, because this I am making for highlighting the text. So in border, remember always first the thickness of the border, and after that style of the border, and after the styling you can choose the border color, yellow. Now border is ready. Set the margin for this, only 5 pixel. Now padding 30 pixel. Done. So here we are done with this style sheet. Okay, so what we have done, we have created first we have styled our body tag, and after that we have created 3 classes: header, main text and highlight. Okay, now this is our file, the simple file. The body you already know. Now what we want to highlight first our header. Okay, so this Maya the superhero I am using as a header. So here add class, this like this. Now in class you can add header class, HEDAR. Okay, so I have added this header class over here. Now let's see the change. Let me change it and I will show you the page. Okay, here you can see it has been changed into different color, and padding and the size of the text is also has been changed. So slowly we will change everything. Now description. Description here. Let me add a few more things here. Where is our style sheet? This is our style sheet. So we can add, okay, we can highlight it, no problem. So here I am using the same thing, and description I don't want to change, but definitely I want to show Maya's determination this in a different way. So what I will do, I will choose the class, and which class I want to choose, I want to highlight it. Sorry, HIGHLIGHT, highlight. Okay, this highlight class I have chosen over here. So here, if you remember, we have done header and now highlight. Now let's see the change. Control S, Alt Tab, and you can see it has been highlighted. Okay. Okay, next now. So simply we will do this thing only. We have done three things. First, the main text. So let me change the main text from here. Okay. So, okay. Now here in body also, class main text. Can you see? This thing also has been changed now. Okay. The size of the text is different than the normal line. Okay. So what we will do, we have used all three classes. We have used header class also, main text class also, and highlight also. If you want to highlight more things, simply I am just putting the class, 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 and highlight. So I am just copying the same thing. Okay, Control C, and let me put it in different places. Then I will show you. So these are the different part of the stories, and I told you last time also I have taken this story from the online, from some website. Okay, now I think it's done. Okay, so Control S, and see, this is our story. Okay, so in this way we can use external style sheet. So what we have done here, we have created simply one style sheet, the style story.css, and we have styled this Maya part to external. Now what is the use of creating a separate style sheet? The use of creating a separate style sheet is that with the one style sheet you can style so many pages. For example, I have shown you the first one, Maya part 2, right? Now I will show you this simple thing. Okay, let me open this. So this is the simple thing. Okay, now what we will do, now we will attach the style sheet here in the header. So first, link, what we are attaching over here, style sheet. Okay, and which style sheet we are attaching here? The name of the style sheet, the same, style dot story dot css. Okay, done. So we have attached here. Let's see the change. Can you see? The color has been changed now. So simply what we will do now, we will put different classes here. Class, which class? This is header. This is header, and here the main text in body only. Main text we have attached. Now Okay, this is our first clue. So let me highlight this thing. So I am putting this class highlight here. This is second clue. This is class. This is third clue. Okay, so I'm putting it here. Now let's check the page. Okay, so in this way you have seen this, right? So with the one style sheet only, we have styled two different style sheets. See, like this. Okay, so in this way we can style the style sheets very easily. We just need to create one style sheet, one CSS sheet, and with the one CSS sheet we can style so many web pages. So this is the use of external style sheet. Now here we are done. If you have any confusion, any doubt, you can put your doubts in the comment section. I'll try to resolve your doubts. And if you like this video, share it with your friends, subscribe my channel, and ask your friends to share and subscribe my channel and like this video. In further videos, we will learn how to create the application using JavaScript inside the HTML page. So stay connected. Thank you. Have a nice day.